So, hello, good morning, children. So, we are going to give you answer all the your problems. So, class 7th and chapter 3.1 and chapter name is Tartary. So, Tartary and board is Maharashtra board. You can see, and this is English balbharati workbook standard 7 and chapter number unit 3 and chapter number 3.1 Tartary. So let us start the video and start the first question and answer. So first question is find the name of the Scottish musical instrument and animal mentioned in the poem. So Scottish musical instrument so mentioned in the poem are harp, flute and mandolin. Aquatic animals so mentioned are fish, zebras, tiger and peacock. And question number 2 is find the words that mean the following from the first stanza. So 1. Gold harmed into a flat thin shape beaten gold. 2. Show up proudly flaunt. 3rd. Tilt move at an angle slant. 4. Across especially in a slanting direction or thwart. Question number 3. In the last stanza, there are 3-4 letters words that refer to a beautifully valley. They are dale, vale, glen. Question number 4 is pick out the line that contains colors. Her river silver pearl, in the every purple pearl, well, and in the unique everything lamp would shine. Yellow as honey, red as wine. I'd wear a robe of wish and gold. And second sound so trumpeter every day to every meal would summon me, while harp and flute and mandolin made music sweet and gay. 3rd, image from nature. Her flashing star, her scented bridge, her river silver pulse, and in my pools glade fishes land. And next is her birds delighting citron trees. And next line is glen, thicket, wood and dell. Complete the following phrases with the help of the poem. Sweet and gay music. 2nd is silver pearl river. 3rd is scented bridge. 4th is trembling lake. 5 is bird delighting citron tree. Question number 1 is pick out at least 2 examples of consonants from the poem. So answer 1 is Peter Patter and 2nd is gold and green. Question number 2 is from the poem find 3 lines that comparison. So 1 line is her trembling lake like formless sea. 2nd is yellow as honey, red as wine. 3rd is and clustered thick as seeds. And 3rd question is find 2 examples of alliteration from the poem. So First is My Throne of Beaten Gold, and second is Made Music Sweet and Gay. 4. Write the rhyming word from the first stanzas. Pearl, dull, and pearl, dull, beads, seeds. And next question is write about the daily routine of the Lord of Tartary in 8 to 10 line. So the answer is the Lord of Tartary would get up every early in the morning. He would wear a dress of green, white and gold beads. These beads would be placed very close to each other, just like seeds, and before the warning of the morning star, he would wear his robe, take his sword, and then go out in the valley in his carriage drawn by 7 zebras. At meal time, be summoned by the trumpeters in the evening. He would enjoy the shining lamps and sweet music played by musicians. At height, he would enjoy the flashing star and scented bridge. Using your imagination, write about a beautiful region, its land, form, water body, flora and fauna, night sky, people, etc. My mind races to a beautiful mountain range full of huge tall trees with winding creepers. A few monkeys could be seen jumping from the branches across trees or as if engaged in a game. The crisp chirping of birds could be heard. The setting sun cast a reddish yellow glow on the horizon, and it could see the gurgling steam flowing down the slopes of the mountain as if to reach the destination. Through the winding path, one could see villages with load of household goods trekking up the way to their home, nestled in the slopes of the mountain. So, my dear, chapter is finished here. So, I see you in the next video. Then, take care. Bye bye.